Welcome back, everybody. Today we'll be unboxing another SteelBook 4K Blu-ray, and today it will be the Best Buy exclusive 4K Blu-ray digital code combo of Captain Marvel. As you can see, it's got, limited edition, blah blah blah. There's Captain Marvel. You see Goose right there. Got the side, Captain Marvel Ultra HD, all that fun stuff. And of course, we got the back. If you want to read that, have that. As you see, all the special features. We have some nice stuff on this one. The origin of Nick Fury. Ooh, wonder what that's like. Have to watch that later. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up for everybody to see. And yes, I have seen this movie in the theaters. It was not my favorite of the Marvel movies. It was kind of one of the weaker entries of the MCU. But still, it's not that bad. Let's get that J card off of there, blah blah blah. And look at the back, we got her suit. Not a bad design. And my SteelBook looks to be in pretty good shape. Let's see what we got inside. Of course, we have the old digital code, which you ain't gonna see today. I just don't feel like showing it to you, even though it's already active by now. We have the 4K disc with the... it's not bad artwork, but it's still kind of generic. Huh. And they actually put artwork on the Blu-ray. And of course, mine apparently is loose, like always. And you get to see the picture inside of her and getting ready to fly. Which that has significance in the movie. Which, if you've never seen the movie, I'm not going to spoil it for you. So, there we have it. We have our 4K SteelBook edition of the movie Captain Marvel. I hope you all have a great day today. If you like my videos, like and subscribe to me on YouTube. You'll make my day. I sure could use a good day after today. So, and if you're curious about that, I've had a blown tire today on the way home. And my shoe ripped apart on the way home. So, yeah, it's been just one of them fun days. So, you guys have a great day today. Thank you, and goodbye.